What is the value of x, the length tp? Label points G and T. Locate center O of the semicircle, and let the center of the inscribed circle be G. It implies that join line OT and let angle POT equals beta. But the sum of line AP and line B, P equals the diameter, which equals 2 times R. It follows that the sum of 5 and 35 equals 40 units, which equals to 2 times R. R equals half of 40, which equals 20 units, that is equals to line O, B and line OA. Hence, line O, P equals line O, A minus line A, P, which equals to 20 minus 5. The result equals to 15 units. Join line G, P, which is equals to R. Let the radius, R of the violet circle, be R. Line G, O equals R minus small r, which equals to 20 minus small r. Line O, P equals 15. Consider triangle GOP. By Pythagoras theorem, the square of line G, O equals the sum of the square of line G, P and the square of line OP. Substitute values and we have that the square of 20 minus r equals the sum of the square of 15 and the square of r. Open bracket. 400 minus 40 times r plus the square of r equals the sum of 225 and the square of r. Simplify and we have that 175 equals 40 times r. Divide the equation by 40. Hence, r equals 175 divided by 40, which equals to 35 divided by 8. Recall that line G, O equals 20 minus R. Substitute the value of R. It follows that line G, O equals 20 minus R, which equals 125 divided by 8. Hence, line OP divided by line G, O equals cosine beta, which equal 24 divided by 25. After substitution and simplification of values, it implies that cosine beta equals 24 divided by 25. We call it equation 1. Consider triangle TPO and use cosine rule for the square of line TP, as shown on the screen. Substitute values and we have that the square of x equals the sum of the square of 15 and the square of 20 minus 2 times the product of 15 and 20 times 24 divided by 25, which equals to 49. Take the square root of the equation. X equals the square root of 49, which equals 7 units. Therefore, the required value of x equals 7 units.